Hello guys, this is Priyanka Malik. Welcome back to my channel Prism Kalakari. So today we are going to make a video on decorating our simple looking hairbands and hair clips. So let's watch. So we will need this kind of a pin, a clip or a pin. You will find this easily in any jewelry making, toran making or craft making shops where you get the raw materials to make your own stuff. These kind of leaves, the tars are already attached to it. Some flowers, I have taken these two colors. Here also the tars are already attached to the flower. In case you don't have such kind of flowers, you have the normal flowers, the one which comes without the tar, you can directly glue it on the pin. I have fabric glue as well as B7000 glue. You can use any of these. Also, if you have hot glue, you can use that. So first let us take this leaf. Now that is completely optional. If you want to only attach the flowers, you can do that. I wanted it with leaf and wanted to show you how to do it. So see, there is this tar behind the leaf, right? So that part will go down. Open your pin like this and put the tar, wrap around the tar like this. If you don't open the clip and you start wrapping the tar, the clip won't open only, right? So now once you have wrapped it nicely, you can just cut off the excess like this. And if you feel the need, you can apply some glue. Now I am showing you here how will you apply it. Just beneath the leaf or where you have exactly wrapped your tar. Then you can take the flower. Now here if you don't have the flower with the tar, you can just directly glue it. You place it nicely and then start wrapping the tar the same way you had wrapped the tar of the leaf. You have to open the pin and wrap it nicely so that you place it properly on that. Yeah. Now here you can use same color flowers. I wanted to use two different colors. So similarly I have wrapped the tar of the yellow flower as well. And now I'll take one more leaf. The same way the tar side should be down. And I'll wrap it around the clip the same way I did the flowers and the first leaf. Now here I don't feel the need to apply glue. If you feel the need to apply glue, you can do it as I had shown for the first leaf. I have already made one pin before. See how this is how it looks. Now I'll show you how to make hairband, rather how to decorate it. Now I have this hairband which has the coating of this satin black colored cloth already. I got this from a jewelry raw material shop, a jewelry making, toran making shop. I also make imitation jewelries and I place my stalls and all in exhibitions. In case you want to look out for some imitation jewelry design collection, you can go on Instagram and Facebook and log in there and find the account Presents Jewelry. Now see, these are the flowers. Now I have some in white, red. These are with the tars, and the flowers without the tars which I was talking about earlier are like these. So here I'll show you how to make this hairband with these flowers. Now suppose you don't have this kind of a hairband, you have a metal hairband or a plastic one, you can coat it with some satin ribbon, like you can wrap around the satin ribbon or you can also use any cloth and stitch it on the hairband. Now I'm applying some glue on this. A very simple design I'll be teaching you. So I want this design on the side. So I'm taking 2 pink flowers and 1 green flower, and in less than 5 minutes I have decorated my hairband. Isn't it looking pretty? Now here, if you want to decorate the whole hairband, you can continue putting these flowers alternately, or you can use any one color and put it. If you want only at the top, you can use 2-3 more flowers and finish it off, or if you want only one big flower, you can put that as well. Now see, the technique which we had used in that hairpin, I have used the same technique here on the hairband. See, I have wrapped around these stars, but here please take care that any end of the tar should not come down, because that will hurt your head. So take it a little upwards and then cut off the excess part. Apply glue if needed, so that all the flowers are at one place. This is how they look. So guys, do comment and let me know how did you like today's video. You can also turn your simple hairband or hair clip into this newer updated version by decorating it with flowers and leaves. Also, if you want me to make videos on such hairbands and hair clips where I'm decorating it with something like beads and kundans and all, do drop a comment and I'll make a video for you soon. Do share your work with me on my Instagram ID prizone.kalakari, the link of which I will be mentioning in the description box below. So guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.